Hello, this is Rebecca Navarez, and this is my fourth set of book critiques. My first book is The Glorious Flight, Across the Channel with Louis Blériot. This book is about Louis Blériot, a young father living in Cambrai, France, with his kids and wife. He's determined to be the first person to fly over the English Channel. This book is my featured text for this set. My first lesson is a third grade science lesson. Students will learn about force and motion. They'll learn how the distance of an object being thrown will be determined by the force at which it is thrown. The students will make their own paper planes out of construction paper and will throw their planes using different force to see how far their planes will go. They will then use Flipgrid to videotape themselves throwing their planes, and they will talk about how it went. Here's the portal that I made for the children. Here the kids can post videos
Tip number 1.
of them throwing their planes. And as well, there's a portal where they can talk about how they thought it went.
Our first attempt did not go well. It landed a few inches in front of my foot.
They will be sharing this information with another class from another school who will also be doing the same project, and they will also be commenting on the Flipgrid. My second lesson is a third grade math lesson. This lesson follows the science lesson because the children will be collecting data from the results of the paper plane throwing. They will use Plotvar to make different graphs to display how far their planes went each time. They will then share this information with another class in another part of the world using the portal Beluga. This website can be used to connect other classes from around the world with each other. In this instance, the teachers would have collaborated beforehand to then have the children present to each other their projects, for the other class will be doing a similar project. My second book is Harlem. This book beautifully tells the story of African Americans in Harlem, New York, through the voice of a poem. The images in this book are very, very beautiful. They are all done by Christopher Myers. When You Reach Me. Set in New York, a young girl named Miranda is left very strange clues that she thinks might lead her to her friend. Will she find her? What do you do with a tale like this? This book displays different animal body parts and what their functions are. The illustrations keep the child wanting to flip each page to see the next animal. The Funny Little Woman. This is about a story retold of a little Chinese woman who loves making dumplings out of rice. Find out who she encounters when one of her dumplings roll away. Chanticleer and the Fox. Join Chanticleer the rooster as he encounters a scary fox who teaches him a lesson of pride. St. George and the Dragon. This book tells of the story of St. George and how you must tame a powerful dragon. Join him on his adventure to be with the fairy queen. Feathers. Set in the 70s, a little girl named Franny takes you through her encounter with the only white boy at her school. Thank you.